welcome back to Polly's World. Friends, couple of days back I went to the beach and there I have collected some shells. Now today I will be using those shells to prepare some beautiful bottle art. And if you want to see how I do it, then follow me. And friends, after watching my video, if you love and enjoy watching my craft work, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So keep watching Polly's World and I will be back soon with some beautiful, new and amazing craft work. Till then, bye-bye.
So at first I will take some Fevicol and black acrylic color and will mix them well. And now I will start dabbing the color with the help of a sponge on the glass bottle. Now I will use this hair dryer to dry the color so that I can keep the bottle down on the table. Now I will start coloring the top of the bottle. Also I will remove the foil and will color the whole bottle black. So my dabbing is complete and this is the final look of my bottle. So the bottle is ready. And friends, you can see I have painted my fingers also, so I'll go and clean it. Now I will take this jute thread and will cut out 5 pieces each of 4 cm. I will start making petals of the flower by joining the 2 ends of the thread. So I'll use the hot glue gun and will start making the petals. So this way I will make 5 petals for a flower. And now I will join all the petals together. Here my jute thread flower is ready. This way I am going to cover the bottom part of the glass bottle with the jute thread. Now in the same way I am going to cover the top part of the glass bottle. And finally it will look like this. I have covered the top part and the bottom part of the glass bottle with the jute. And now I will start pasting all the shells and the jute flower on the glass bottle. Okay, now I will use this white acrylic color and will write on the bottle, I love Goa. For the word love, I have used this heart-shaped crystal stone. Yoo-hoo! Finally, my bottle art is ready. So this is the final look of my I love Goa bottle art. Now for the second bottle art, I'm going to use red and yellow color. Red I will use at the bottom part of the bottle and rest of the bottle I will color with yellow color. I will dab the colors with the help of a sponge in the same way as I have done with the previous glass bottle. So my dabbing is complete and this is the final look of the bottle, and now I will start pasting all the shells, the plastic leaves and the cherries for decoration. And my second bottle art is also ready, and this is the final look of my second bottle art. So friends, presenting my two glass bottle art. Feel free to give your feedback and suggestion in the comment section.